Hi everyone, my name is Christina and this is my final project for class CIS 9467 with Professor Wheeler. Today I'm going to talk about a very useful tool in Excel called solver. Excel solver is a special set of commands often referred to as what if analysis tools. It's for simulation and optimization of various business and engineering models. Companies use software to find the optimum solution to maximize profit and minimize costs. My work does not require for me to use Excel software, so I have been thinking instead whether or not I can find a way to use this powerful tool in my own daily life. I shop I shop in Costco every week. In case you don't know, Costco is an American wholesaler that focuses on selling products at low prices. I like to shop in Costco because they sell everything. Every week I have a fixed budget of $300 to shop in Costco. My family lists out all the items I have to purchase there. After buying all the necessary products, I can choose to buy any snacks I want for my kids. Since I only know what my balance totals up to after I check out in the cashier, I'm never able to utilize all $300 without spending under or over my budget. Last week, using Excel software, I was able to purchase all my needed items with enough for plenty of snacks. And most importantly, the shopping journal was very fast as I have already know what to buy before going to Costco. I downloaded the updated Costco price list in this website. And as you can see, this is the updated list on March. And I copy the price list to my Excel file. This is the raw data I download. And I copy the same data to another worksheet for analysts. This is the analyst worksheet. I got a price list from my family as the listed in a different worksheet here. This is the purchase list for my family. The list contains the product I need to purchase and the quantity of each product. I first come back to this analyst worksheet. I first use the VLOOKUP function. Here I use the VLOOKUP function to check which item in the list I need to buy. As you can see, the value with NA are those that I don't need to buy. And I only need to buy for those with the quantity. So this is the I column. I use VLOOKUP to figure out what I need to buy from the list. I copy the whole I column to J by copy and paste value only function. And after that, I change all the NA values to space by the replace function, which you can use as a shortcut by Control and at the same time press Control and H. And after that, you can see that the J column has no more NA and only contains the quantities. The purpose of doing this is to clean up the data so that solver can be used later. In the L2 column, I put a formula to calculate the total amount, which is the unit price, the F column, unit price times the quantity, which is the J column. As you can see, even before I use the solver, the price is already end up to $200 for those items I have to buy. Now I'm going to use the solver to figure out which snack I can buy after I bought the needed items. To run the solver, on the Data tab in the Analyst group, click the Solver button. The Solver Parameters window will open where I can set up the three primary components. The first one is the objective shell, and also the variable shells and the constraints. I set the objective shell in L2 column with the value of $300, which is the amount I can spend. The variable are the quantity numbers I can buy for the snacks. The Excel solver constraints are the restrictions or limits of the possible solution to the problem. Since I cannot buy a maximum quantity of products, one of my constraints is for the variable to be an integer, and the other one for the variable to be greater or equal to 0. These are the two constraints for this problem. After that, I click the solver button, and then I got the suggested less as with its quantity, and the final price is come up with 300. Now I can get my updated list by using the filter function, and the J column contains all the items I need to purchase. So I filter out those blanks and 0. And this is the suggested list for my purchase. If I'm not satisfied with the suggestion, I can simply run the solver again and I will get another list. So you can try many times until you're satisfied with the list. Now with Excel solver, I can have a quick and easy shopping trips at Costco. Thank you. Bye bye.